Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So how you can fix it and why you can see this message. So this message can be caused by entering your wrong password too many times. So the system thinks that someone else, not you, try to download some apps from your account. And they are not owner of this account, and that's why system suspend your account for some time. So also you can wait some time until the system recover your account and just allow you to download and install apps again. Or you can try to go to the settings, so just open the settings. And in the settings you choose here iTunes and App Store and just tap on your Apple ID, and after just sign out and try to sign in and just open App Store and try to download apps again. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go to Safari, so just open Safari and just go to the site iforgot.apple.com. and just enter here your first name, last name, your email address, just tap continue and just follow all the instructions to get access for your Apple ID. So just try one of these methods. I hope that one of them will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.